cute hair. This is what you need. Let's see what they got in the box. They got a melt band to keep the lace melted. They got some wig caps. And they got some long lashes if you into the long lashes. And they got the, oh, let me show the wig. And they got the wig. This is the type of hair that y'all need. This is the hair you need. See the texture? You see the hair? Okay.
Gel.
Oh shoot. How was this cap?
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it fits you perfectly.
Okay, good.
I needed to put it in Jameer hair.
No. Yucky. It was yucky.
Hassan.
No, because there be a lot of Arabic people that be trying to know.
Before I see the headline.
Oh, okay. But
trying
you're
to get
pushing the
seeds.
light again, huh? Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, play. Go ahead. Go ahead. Left it up. Find some new music for me to listen to or whatever, then I find it from him.
On like long road trips, I'm like, listen, you gotta play your music because you're gonna hear
Check
the same
out
thing.
some of my content when you get a chance. If you make mom content and stuff, someone said to switch up with the color. You have to, guys. You gotta keep them guessing. You gotta keep them. No, but don't get paid off TikTok. Why don't you get paid? Have you not reached the requirements to get paid on TikTok? Does that make sense? That's weird that they said. I need to cover this pimple tonight. You're looking.
It's not that bad.
But it's
Stop
like
playing with it.
it's glaring on the video. Like,
Just stop playing with it.
if I lick it, maybe it'll look. Nah. She said Jacksonville, Florida. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Go to Rod Wave. He's in Orlando though. It comes to Orlando.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know, girl.
Girl, I like Rod Wave. Yeah,
I like
let's
Rod
go to
Wave, but-
Wave. We gonna be singing sad songs
For real, like.
with our men. We don't experience heartbreak, but we'll project from when we did.
Someone said Rod Wave is here in December. Yes.
His album is so good. You should listen to it.
Yeah.
You should listen to it.
I look like I could eat me.
Ooh, snack.
This is the hair you need. This is the hair you need. Oh, cute hair. This is the hair you need.
Beyonce.
You know.
Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky.
Oh.
You look good, right? You like it? The freestyle?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Let me,
And I like the hair too. Like it's not. It's like very, like.
Beyonce. Beyonce. Stop. Hold this up, please.
Except Cash App. No.
Cash App and Zelle.
Yeah, you can support our relationship though.
Sleep. Eat.
I'm feeling it. I'm
I love
feeling
it
it. Oh, cute hair. You did your thing.
Come here.
Say yes. Yes. Say Y-E-S. Say ew. Ew, don't picky. Don't picky.
I love it.
Ew, that's where your boogie. Ew, that's where the boogie. Okay. Y'all see that melt though, right? Okay. I've been wanting a good, nice
good
hairstyle. Listen, as long as y'all send me some hair like this, I'll promote you.
Picture her down.